Here I will be doing a short video about Niki Live app. You can download in your Apple Store. Once you have downloaded, you can change your photo and do verification. Once you're verified, you can change your thing to avatar, whatever photos you like. Here you can also go to your account security where you can bind your account to your phone, mobile, and your Gmail and Apple ID for the safety of your account. So let's go back to the dashboard. You can see your beans and your coins. The beans, once you click it, it can turn into cash. So if you want to withdraw your beans, or either you can exchange it into coins. But if you choose to withdraw, the minimum withdrawal is $10, and you can bind whatever kind of withdrawals you have. Let's cater this next time, more information on this, but let me just show you. Let us say $10 you want to withdraw. And here also you can check the details of your withdrawal if it is successful or not. So here you can see if it is in progress or completed. Let's go back to the dashboard. And for the level, there is charm level and reach level. Reach level depends on the coins that you reward, do you recharge. And the charm level depends on your activity for gamble and gambling and trading. Here for the task, there is a daily task where you can post moments, you can mic room, you can join mic room, and for the daily live, for the live, you are paid on an hourly basis. You have 3 hours live, wherein you are paid 13,000 per hour. It will reset every week. So last week I reached just 22,000, but now I got 13,000 back. So here also there is a play where you can play and earn rewards. Lots of games that you can do here. Now for the live, you can do solo live if you are on a level 3. So only you in the panel, in the only solo live, and you can change also your filters to make it more lively, depends on what you like. So here you can earn gift from your viewers, and while doing your solo live, you can also play games and also interact with your viewers. Here you can click on the games, and if you're not bored, keep on playing. Okay, so another thing is the panel live. Panel live is when you do a panel. So you have to choose either 4 or 6 or 9 seats. Let me show you how it will be done. So you can go here, you can choose 4, 6 or 9 seats, and it will turn into a panel live wherein your members and your friends can sit with you. You can interact with each other, you can send gifts, and you can do gamble with each other. So lots of activities here. You can also play together if you wanted to play. So here you can send popular gift to each other. You can gamble to each other. Okay, for the lucky gift, it's for gamble. You can send fun gifts, and in your backpack you can see all the cards that you have there. Alright, so while doing your panel live, lots of things you can do. You can also play games. Let's go back to the dashboard. Here you can also open the club task, wherein you can do your club task, and you can see several seats here. You can do your task for an hour and you will get rewards. You will be sitting here with your co-members or while doing the task in an hour. So that is only a short video of the Niki Live app. Lots of information you can get, lots of activities you can do, lots of rewards you can get in different tasks that you are doing. So hope you will be happy in doing the tasks and earning rewards as well while doing all your tasks. So happy tasking and happy earning. Niki Live app is really very promising, and lots of things you can do. You can also invite friends, you can discuss later, and you can also join singing contest. Here you can also do games and share the 10,000 coins if you are on the top 10. So you will be sharing the 10,000 coins here in the games. So you will be playing along with your members, and you can share the rewards of the coins. Okay, that is a short video. Hope you enjoy it, and for more details I will be discussing the next time, especially withdrawals, techniques on how to earn more. So happy tasking and Niki Live app is really enjoyable. Thank you very much.